Hello again, this is Robert Veach, and this is my video review of the Tweezerman Replacement Callus Shaving Blades. This is a pack of 20, 10 in each one of these little holders. These are very high quality. They're made in Germany. They're double-sided, and they'll fit most brands of callus tools. Now, I happen to have a callus removing tool from SolidGen, which is also made in Germany, and they're the company that actually makes these blades. So very simple to use this, and let's take a look at the quality of the blade that's in here. I've got a kind of a close-up view right here. So each one is individually wrapped, and there's a little bit of a lubricant on here, or wax, to keep them fresh and no rust on them. They're very sharp, so you gotta be careful. What makes them unique is that they're very thin, and that allows the flexibility for them to work in this holder. Now you put it on just like that, put it right in place, and then this slides in like that. Now, one direction, it has about 3/30 seconds of the blade exposed right there, and that's pretty much for deep cuts. If you take this and you rotate it like that, then you notice that it only has about a 30-second. So that's a way to do minimal cuts, to be a little safer, depending on what you're working with. So I really like this product. It's great to have these on hand for extra callus removal. I'm diabetic, and I carefully do remove certain calluses around some of my wounds and everything. Be very careful, and when you use this tool, always try and put your finger along the side like that to minimize the depth, and try and put it on that safer setting initially, or if you could do the whole process that way. So I really like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.